Today we are going to field, and this vlog is especially for Kitka and Kito. See, and it's a very far. We will be reaching this that mountain top one, that far one. We will be reaching there. So we move around 10. I don't know at what time we will reach, but we will be crossing all this mountain. So we are going for hunting and fishing. See, it's been half an hour we have been working. Okay. The trees, all those things look so beautiful. So where is, yeah, we came from here. See, we came from here. Yeah, this is our village. This is our village, and from here to this mountain will be. So this is a stone hut. It seems that during our forefather time they used to take shelter here. Maybe 1 hour works from our village, so it's very far. So this is a huge stone. So there's a hole inside there. So here my village is. Here, this one. Beautiful hut. This is a hut up there. It's a resting place. We have walked for 1 hour 10 minutes so far. So we can even take part here. The water. Oh, hi. No. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. So yeah, exactly we took 2 hours to reach here. Now we have finally reached to this my field. This belong to my parents. See, pineapple, and my dad is still working here. Okay. 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 Okay.
Demi kenap hukuk ke ngoyo menghau aja.
Okay.
Oh my god, malik bang no.
This is cucumber.
Mời bang.
Okay. Okay. Oh. We got 3 towel. Okay. Okay. With pineapples, cucumber, and also
So sweet, very
here.
tasty.
See. So we are going to the river now. This is the river.
Harapkan ni ru parang lami bang no.
Ini lega lami.
Ayang, on you know. Yang na meng.
So now we have reached the river. Now we are ready for fishing. See, I'm sweating.
Yang lagi mah.
Started to be spending the night here. This is our hut. Okay.
Sono atau pisau dia tu ayam dia.
Trong bông ngôi sao với chỉ lấy yang bao nhiêu chỉ bạn là dư cuốn tầm lưu vùng gì này
Good morning. This is frogs. Harujang.
저는 잠깐 민장아요.
Lấy đâu ra chả mày?
We catch fish, but we
Fish,
cannot
frogs.
show. I don't like to show you guys. Chừng chỉ từng cái cầm hai chiều cầm nó
đi vào đi hơi tay học đi mà lấy tay chơi
Yeah, there's lots of orange trees. All these are edibles. Hey, hey. Wait, no, wait. We are deadly tired. We have been climbing up. Okay. Because of the heavy storm, our way has been blocked, so we have to over. We are very much tired. We have been climbing up. Okay. Kito and Kitka, I hope you two are enjoying the view. Okay. We have already worked for 1 hour, and then now maybe I don't know. So this is our village. We have to go here very far. Yeah, this is my village. So we have to go reach here. Due to heavy rain yesterday, we couldn't go for fishing and hunting, but we got some frogs, and now we are going back. We have to rest here. So I'm going to drink water. This is pure natural water, and I remember what David says in Psalm 42. It says that as the deer panted for the water, so my soul longs after you. And yeah, I'm thirsty. I'm going to drink a very clean, pure, natural water. So good, refreshing. Hello guys. We took part just now, so we are so sorry we couldn't make a nice vlog for this time. We were so much tired. So yeah, we are about to reach. Maybe just 20 to 30 minutes work now, and that's also have to climb up. Thank you, Kito and Kitka. Enjoying the banana.
Very dusty.
Bye.